Hey there everyone, welcome to Blades & More for my review of this Columbia River CRKT 7190 Symmetry folding pocket knife. CRKT makes a wide variety of very interesting folding pocket knives, and this Symmetry is certainly a good example of some of their wide variety. It's a smaller slip joint type piece that uses dual detent balls to secure the knife open and closed. Has a front flipper that I use as a rear type flipper because it's really kind of small for my larger hand, and I have a problem securing it with my fingers without getting them in the way of the blade to front flip it. So I use it more like a rear flipper. The CRKT Symmetry is designed by Richard Rogers. The knife doesn't lock because it has dual detent balls, as mentioned. The handle is made from a milled stainless steel, it's gray in color, and it has blue accents on all of the hardware. And it features a textured GRN inlay on both sides of the handle. It has IKBS ball bearing pivot that makes the deployment of the blade very smooth, very nice. Almost like effortlessly. Has a high carbon stainless steel blade that takes an edge well and makes it easy to sharpen. The glass reinforced nylon with stainless steel handle combines strength and durability. It has an adjustable deep carry pocket clip that comes on the right side but can be switch to the left side for left side carry. The overall length of the knife is 6.81 inches with a closed length of 4.19 inches. Has a blade length of 2.75 inches and a blade thickness of 0.09 inches. And it's a drop point blade design with a hollow grind and a plain edge. The blade material is 8CR13 MOV with a nice bead blast finish. The knife is very lightweight, comes in at 2.5 ounces. Has the glass reinforced nylon inlays in the handle. They have almost like a carbon fiber design on them. And it's just a cool little piece. It's an open back handle design with a lanyard attachment on the rear of the handle. And it's just a nice piece. Very small, slim, lightweight. Would carry very well in your pocket. You would hardly notice that it's there. My only small concern is the detent balls work well for the closing, but when it's open they're a little light. So could have been a little tighter, a little heavier, a little larger balls for the open position. However, with all of the other attractiveness of the knife, I still would recommend it. You just have to be careful when you're cutting or slicing with it. It doesn't close on you. So there we go, everybody. It is the CRKT Symmetry folding pocket knife. I would appreciate it if you would leave any comments, concerns, questions in the comment section, and I'll get back with you as soon as I can. And I would appreciate it if you would subscribe to the channel by hitting this little button right here and liking the video. And I hope to see you back again soon. Thank you very much. All right. Bye now.